Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. My name is Andrew Hartline. I'm the sales manager here, and in today's application spotlight, I'm going to go over with you the pack-out station we've got right behind me. Before I get into the details of it though, I do want to highlight that this system is part of a larger system that we're providing our customer. You can see on the left-hand side of your screen, we've got a little snippet of it. This is one of our larger blending systems. So in this project, we're taking gaylords of material and we're going to unload them into one of our high-capacity blenders, create a homogeneous mix of the material, and then screw convey it out of the mixer and into this pack-out station behind me. So let's get into the details of the pack-out station. As I mentioned, we've got the mixer here. The screw conveyor is flange mounted to the mixer. Then we're going to mechanically convey that up into this storage hopper. Our storage hoppers has about 270 cubic feet of capacity. That's about half of the mixer's capacity of what this customer needed. And what this allows them to do is get that mixer nearly half empty before they even need to start packaging Gaylord boxes. It also allows them to start the mixing process for their next blend before they've actually finished their pack-out system. One of the advantages on this system is the touchscreen HMI for the operator. Through this, they're able to set their target weights, their trickle weights. They're able to manually and automatically control not only the pack-out system, but the screw conveyor, and it's all centralized into one nice, concise control location. Operators are identified as to what mode, as well as where material is in the bin via the stack light. You can see we've got a blinking red light as well as a static yellow. Yellow is indicating we're in manual mode, and if we switch to automatic mode, you'll see it changes to green. The blinking red is indicating that we are at a low level state. We don't have any material in this hopper at the moment. And if we were to reach a high level state, we actually would also see the stack light change to a static red, as well as an audible alarm coming out of the panel indicating that the bin is full. Another great advantage of this system is going to be the self-cleaning drawer magnet. So what's great about this drawer magnet is, unlike manual cleaning ones where an operator's got to pull the drawer out, clean off the magnetic bars, put the drawer back in, this one automatically self-cleans, and the operators are able to control how frequently it self-cleans based off of a parameter setting in the HMI. So in this instance, every 2 Gaylords we fill, our drawer magnet cycles, cleans the drawer magnet, and goes right back into operation. We have a floor scale here that's giving us the weight that we have on our Gaylord boxes. It's connected to our pneumatic slide gate. The typical operation is operator selects start fill. The slide gate opens to a full point. Once we hit a trickle weight where a container is probably a half to 2/3 full, we have a trickle setting. We go to a trickle point in the gate that's adjustable via a proc switch, and then once we hit our target weight, then we close the gate fully, and an operator is allowed to take that Gaylord box out of the fill station and put it in. This same setup could be done for any type of container. Could be a custom tote, it could be a bulk bag. It's really something that we can customize for whatever the process, material, or containers that we're filling. So hopefully this video brought you some value. We thought it had some pretty cool features that you wanted to see. If it did, please like and share with your cohorts in the industry. We'll catch you on the next one.